Hello, dear Capricorn. Welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. Before we begin our reading, I request you all to please do like and subscribe my channel. Excuse me. Yeah, please do like and subscribe my channel and do share my videos also. Thank you so much for doing that. So, Capricorn, here we are for the month of November 2020. The cards are here ready with me, and what the card says me that no socializing. Yeah, I remember last time you had lot much of love coming your way or emotional balance is coming your way. I hope you had a great time. And this month we have socializing is the agenda probably. Yeah. So Capricorn, and this socializing, or you are happen to meet few people, and which is going to open up some opportunities in your life. Okay. Yeah, let's see the cards one by one. I have your cards in the page of wands in the present position, page of wands, and seven of swords in the past, in the recent past. So looking at these cards, what I am seeing that you see you have no maybe no there you have not analyzed the pros and cons, or you have not analyzed the situation properly in the past. In the past, in the sense, in last few days or last few weeks, you have not analyzed the situation properly, and that has what all of a sudden you got to know that, oh yeah, I missed this something. I should have considered it while making this plan. So something like that is there, and which you are not prepared for it. Actually you were supposed to look for those things, but you are not prepared now. But now you are all set to go forward, and you are now ready to accept it and move forward also. And I am seeing that you being very in a very energetic way, in a very energetic position. Okay, and you are also going to get a help of someone, or a support from some really a good friend of yours, a lifetime friend, someone like you see from your childhood, or someone who have been with you for a longer time. So someone like this is going to support you as well. At the same time, you are quite energetic to do something new. And yes, there are possibilities of no achieving things, I mean doing things with doing things proactively, actually. Yes. So this is the month where you are going to teamwork as well as on the agenda now. So yeah, if you are collaborations are there, so these collaboration is what is going to help you with the in your career as well. And alliances, no love alliances also are the possibilities again. Yeah, so these things might happen. So more important is that you see, but more important is now this, the card says that you are in a kind of struggling position again. Though you have the possibilities coming your way, though you have the alliances forming, I mean you have the kind of good environment, probably that is what you will experience, an achievement with your a celebration also might be there. But before that, you are in a kind of struggling position, and you have to take a stand. You are not able to do that, dear Capricorns. What I am seeing here is with seven of wands in your position here, so you need to take your stand very strongly. Okay, so your approach should be strong here. You should be with the emperor in the environment position, because this is these two cards are telling me that yeah, you should be your approach should be strong, and you should be disciplined enough to make the most of this time. It's like you say disciplined enough in the sense it can be the time sense also, it can be the approach also, it can be your positive mindset. So you should be like able to yeah, maybe things like this environment, or the things might try to control you, might try to impact your decisions, but you have to take your stand here. Capricorn, and I know for sure you are good on this. You're good at taking your stand, and this is what you are going to put up, or you are going to put your skill here. Okay, and where with a quite difficult disciplined approach, you will be able to get through this. And this is again, with this kind of approach, what I'm seeing here is relationships are going to develop, yeah. And uh, you see, the interaction with people is expected, and a very good interaction, I mean your involvement in the interaction, a positive involvement with the interaction is going to benefit you. Okay. Mm, yes, and the energy card is also saying that adjacent possibilities. So the energy card is also saying that possibilities are opening, like you have something in your mind, or you are already doing something. At the same time, there are chances of you getting some other possibilities also, opportunities also. You see, windows, doors are opening for you now. So it's not just one source of income. You might also have the opportunity of having some diversifications here, not diversifications, but the chances of getting income, creating income source from different channels, yeah. So that is going to happen. And probably if you are trying to look for some alliances also, no a kind of interaction, emotional interaction with someone, which is not happening, so still then there are possibilities. The possibilities are about to open now. These possibilities will help you, these possibilities will help you in g- forming these alliances, right? So yeah, all in all, what I'm seeing is your positive approach, your you see, your positive approach, not giving up attitude. Okay. And the more you are enthusiastic with, I mean the more you are your proactiveness is going to help you, more proactiveness with the people around, I mean with the communications, in your communications, right, in while dealing with people. So this is what in social gatherings and all, so this is what is going to benefit you this month, dear Capricorn. Yeah. So yeah, that is what the cards are indicating for you, Capricorn. I um so a kind of discipline is required, a kind of, don't allow others, don't allow someone else to rule upon your thoughts. Okay. So take your stand for your beliefs. Actually, this is very important this month, so you have to act that way, that you are going to stand for yourself this month, and then definitely you see the changes happening. Yeah, Capricorn. So this is what I mean to say this month. Okay. So yeah, so now I wind up my reading for this month of November 2020. And before I do that, I really want to wish you a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Yeah, take good care of yourself, be safe, be safe, take good care of yourself. I see you again in the next month. Till then, take care, goodbye.